Looking for the best drones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Our top pick for the best drone overall is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It offers powerful features in a small, travel-friendly design. The drone weighs less than 249 grams, which means in many places you don't need to register it. This makes it easy to carry and quick to start flying, whether you're traveling or just learning how to fly a drone. It can record 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR, giving you smooth and detailed footage. It also supports vertical video, which is great for sharing content on social media. The 48-megapixel camera captures sharp photos with rich colors, making your travel shots look impressive. Safety is another big advantage. The Mini 4 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which allows it to detect obstacles from all directions. This helps prevent crashes and makes flying easier for beginners. Battery life is also strong, giving you more time in the air. With a video transmission range of up to 20 kilometers, you can see clear, real-time footage while flying. The drone also includes Active Track 360 degrees, which can automatically follow a subject and create smooth tracking shots without advanced piloting skills. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is compact, powerful, and easy to use. Whether you're a beginner, traveler, or content creator, it's a fantastic drone that helps you capture amazing shots from the sky. Number 2. DJI Avata 2. If you crave flying that feels more like strapping into a cockpit than piloting a gadget, the DJI Avata 2 is your ultimate first-person view machine. Built for thrill seekers, it delivers an immersive experience through first-person view goggles, putting you right in the middle of the action with every twist, dive, and roll. Control couldn't be more intuitive. Thanks to DJI's motion control system, you steer with natural hand movements instead of fiddling with endless buttons. Even if you're new to drones, flying feels second nature. Smooth, confident, and insanely fun. Want to look like a pro without hours of practice? The Avata 2 makes it easy. With one-button acrobatics, you can pull off flips, rolls, power loops, and 180 degrees drifts that turn every flight into an air show. Add rock steady and horizon steady stabilization into the mix, and your footage stays sharp and steady no matter how wild you get. With wide compatibility supporting DJI Goggles 3, Goggles 2, Integra, and multiple remote control motion controllers, the Avata 2 slots seamlessly into your FPV setup. At just 377 G, it's lightweight yet powerful, making it the perfect companion for high-adrenaline content creation. Whether you're chasing speed, freedom, or cinematic first-person view footage, this drone brings it all together. The DJI Avata 2 doesn't just fly, it launches you into the sky with style. Before we reveal Number 3. HoverAir X1 Pro. If you want a drone that doubles as your personal cameraman, the HoverAir X1 Pro has your back. Built for creators and adventurers, it captures cinematic 4K at 60 frames per second footage that makes your hikes, rides, and ocean escapes look like they belong on the big screen. Whether you're shooting in wide horizontal 4K or vertical 2.7K for social feeds, your content comes out crisp, sharp, and ready to impress. Shaky footage? Not here. With Smooth Capture 2, you get a 2-axis gimbal, electronic image stabilization, and horizon leveling that keep every shot steady and polished, even when you're on the move. Paired with its 104 degrees field-off view lens, your clips pop with immersive detail and cinematic flair. The best part, it's totally hands-free. Launch it from your palm with a click or a voice command. Then let the fully automated flight modes do the work with options like hover, zoom out, follow, and dolly track. The X1 Pro films you like a pro, director while you stay in the moment. Thanks to its Omni-Rain system, this drone can handle snow, water, cliffs, and just about any adventure you throw at it. And when speed is key, it keeps up effortlessly, tracking you at 42 km/h with bursts up to 60 km per hour, while advanced algorithms lock you perfectly in frame. From skiing down slopes to cycling at full pace, the HoverAir X1 Pro turns your adventures into cinematic memories without you lifting a finger. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2. If you want a drone that delivers pro-level shots without the hassle of registration, the Potensic Atom 2 is ready to fly. At just $245,000, it's under the Federal Aviation Administration threshold, giving you freedom to launch anywhere, without paperwork slowing you down. Despite its small size, this drone packs serious imaging power. The half-inch Sony complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor captures breathtaking 48-megapixel photos and smooth 4K at 30 frames per second high dynamic range video stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal with an f1.8 aperture and 4-in-1 pixel tech. Low-light scenes look brighter, sharper, and full of detail. Its upgraded remote with Pixing 4K delivers a crystal-clear 1080p live view and a range up to 10 kilometers so you can fly farther with confidence. AI-powered tracking makes creative shots effortless. Whether you're using spotlight, follow, or parallel modes, the Atom 2 keeps you perfectly in frame. Even night lights look crisp and cinematic. For creative flair, explore vertical shooting, panoramas, dolly zoom, slow motion, and quick shots. Sharing your clips is fast, too, thanks to smart transfer speeds of up to 25 megabytes per second. Beginner-friendly controls make flying simple with global navigation satellite system positioning, customizable home points, cruise control, auto takeoff, and smart return to home. And with up to 32 minutes of flight per battery, you'll capture more in every session. Lightweight, intelligent, and powerful, the Atom 2 makes the sky yours. Still searching for the perfect drone? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 5. DJI Neo. If you've been dreaming of flying a drone without breaking the bank or the rules, the DJI Neo is your perfect entry point. Weighing just 135 g, it's lighter than most phones and doesn't require Federal Aviation Administration registration or remote ID. Toss it in your backpack or even your pocket and you're ready for takeoff anywhere your day takes you. Launching it is as easy as holding out your hand. With palm takeoff and landing, Neo skips the complicated setup so you can focus on fun. Whether you're at a family barbecue, on a hike, or chilling at the park, this little drone makes filming effortless. Smart subject tracking and 8 quick shots modes give you pro-level vlogging tools with zero learning curve. Just tap a button and let Neo follow you, orbit you, or pull off cinematic angles that would take hours to master manually. You've also got flexibility in how you fly, choose controller-free operation, voice commands, your phone, or the traditional remote control. It's fun and accessible no matter your style. When it comes to video, Neo doesn't cut corners. It records in crisp 4K Ultra HD. And with DJI stabilization tech, plus level 4 wind resistance, your footage stays smooth even on breezy days. Whether you're hiking, kaying, or just hanging out, you'll get footage that looks polished and ready to share. Affordable, portable, and packed with smart features, the DJI Neo makes flying fun and filmmaking simple.